Dealing with the ghost or multi-touch issue while playing PUBG on your iPhone can be frustrating, but fret not, as there are effective solutions to tackle this common problem. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. Firstly, navigate to the settings on your iPhone and disable 3D and haptic touch under Accessibility Touch Settings. This can help alleviate the issue. Next, launch PUBG Mobile on your iPhone and head to the in-game settings. Tap on the arrow icon in the lobby, then tap on Settings. Adjust the haptic feedback settings by tapping on High Quality for character and weapon feedback. Navigate to Graphics and Audio settings and enable Auto-Adjust Graphics to optimize performance on your iPhone. To address potential app glitches, go to iPhone Settings, scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Find PUBG Mobile, tap on it, and select Offload App followed by Delete App. Reinstalling the app can resolve glitches causing the issue. After completing these steps, restart your iPhone to ensure the changes take effect. As a bonus tip, avoid playing games while charging your device, as this can sometimes contribute to the ghost issue. Now, you're all set to dive back into the game and hopefully enjoy a smoother experience without the multi-touch problem. If you encounter any further issues, feel free to share them in the comments section.